Chewing on Canadian Chatter, Decoding the Timbits. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to uncover a tasty piece of Canadian English, a term that's both delicious and quite unique to Canadian culture, timbits. Now, you might be wondering, what does food have to do with learning English? But you'll soon discover that understanding idiomatic expressions, including those related to food, can give you a richer understanding of any language. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what timbits are. In Canada, Timbits is a brand name for small, bite-sized donuts sold by the popular Canadian restaurant chain, Tim Hortons. They're essentially the donut hole, sweet, delicious, and come in a variety of flavors. But the term timbits has grown to be more than just a snack. It has become an integral part of Canadian cultural identity and vernacular. In Canada, you might hear someone say, "Let's grab some timbits," or, "I could go for a box of timbits." In this context, they are referring to grabbing a bite, specifically these bite-sized donuts from Tim Hortons. This phrase is akin to someone in the USA saying, "Let's grab some donut holes," except it's very specific to the Tim Hortons brand and Canadian culture. So, how do you use timbits in a sentence? Well, just like any other noun. Here are some examples. After a long meeting, I need a coffee and a few timbits to recharge. When I was visiting Canada, I fell in love with the chocolate-glazed timbits. Remember, the usage of timbits is very specific to Canadian culture and might not be understood outside of this context. And that's it, folks. You've just added a flavorful piece of Canadian English to your vocabulary. Remember, language learning isn't just about grammar and sentence structure. It's also about understanding and appreciating the unique cultural nuances. So next time you're in a Canadian setting or speaking to a Canadian friend, don't forget to show off your knowledge about timbits. Hope this session was a treat for you as much as it was for me. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.